Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll be taking you on a delightful journey to Vogel State Park in Blairsville. Our day started with a scenic drive to Blairsville where we could not resist taking a quick stop near the highway to marvel at the breathtaking fall colors. The town itself had an inviting charm with cozy cafes dotting the streets. Our next stop was Vogel State Park, nestled at the base of Blood Mountain within the Toccoa National Forest. As we entered the park, the $5 entry fee seemed like a small price to pay for incredible views that awaited us. Vogel is renowned for its vibrant fall foliage, painting the Blue Ridge Mountain with the shades of red, yellow, and gold. After a relaxing home-cooked lunch amidst the picturesque lake and soaking up the warm sunlight and a rejuvenating break, we made our way to the swinging bridge on Toccoa River, a scenic drive that took us through some of the most enchanting fall landscapes I have ever seen. The swinging bridge, situated on the Benton Mackay Trail and the Duncan Ridge National Recreation Trail in Fenton County, is a favorite spot for day hikers. Despite the slightly challenging off-road journey to reach the bridge, the experience of walking along the Toccoa River was truly mesmerizing. Along the way, we stopped at various spots to capture the beauty of colorful mountains and create lasting memories. tuned for more exciting adventures on my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel stories and nature's wonders. See you in the next one. Till that time, happy traveling!